Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming iOS 26 is installed and camera has permission. This prevents sudden prompts. Open the camera app and select the lens you need, front for selfies, back for subjects. Once done, tap or swipe to portrait mode. You'll see depth indicators and lighting presets appear. This shifts processing to depth mapping, which is why subject distance and background matter. Make sure to position your subject within the suggested range. For accurate you now refine frame and exposure. Move closer or further until the on-screen range indicator confirms correct distance. Tap to lock focus and slide the exposure control if the scene is bright or dark, because consistent exposure prevents flicker. Next, pick a portrait lighting preset that complements skin tones and background, natural for honesty, studio for clarity. Once you've locked settings, compose your shot and watch depth preview. This is where you judge background blur versus subject separation. You're ready to capture. Hold the device steady or mount it on a tripod and press the shutter. Use live photos as a fallback. They give extra frames in case motion muddles depth. After shooting, open photos and tap Edit to adjust depth intensity or switch lighting. This fine-tunes the effect. If portrait blur looks wrong, make sure the subject is well lit and separated from the background. If issues persist, restart camera or toggle depth control in settings, then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.